Growers recently had one-on-one access to Helena chemists, researchers, and product experts at the Evolve Innovation Expo. RFD-TV's Marlon Bowling was there. He had the chance to learn about the advantage of Helena's enzyme products. Take a look.
With me now is Mike Powell. He is the Senior Brand Manager for Bioscience at Helena Products Group. Mike, thanks for joining us here. If you would, can you explain how long Helena has been in the biological business?
Well, we've been in the biological business for quite some time, probably over 20 years. I've been with Helena for 32 years, and it's always been, that type business has always kind of been part of what we do. We have a lot of different areas that we work with. We're in the nutrient use efficiency business. We've got soil amendments, and we've got our biostimulants that can be applied soil and foliar. So I would say we've got quite a lineup there, and we've been doing it a long time.
What kind of products are you introducing here at the Evolve Innovation Expo?
Well, today I'm going to be talking more about a new product called Enertia, which is another innovation that we have for soybean seed treatment that kind of pairs up with our product called Zypro. Both of these are enzyme products, which are a biological-based material, and we're really excited about what benefits that the Enertia brings to the soybean seed treatment industry.
How does it work?
Well, Enertia contains a specific enzyme that's designed for soybean seed treatment, and it can be, what it does is those enzymes, once they are on the seed, they release in the soil prior to the seed germination, and they basically prepare the root zone for the newly emerging seed. And we see an increase in root development that makes those roots more effective in bringing in the nutrients that are available and the moisture in that early part of that season for that soybean growth.
So can you explain the advantage for the farmer out there?
Well, the big advantage, from the biggest advantage is that it can give him an 8-to-1 return on his investment. We're seeing it's a low-cost input that can give him a high return. But the big benefit is it automatically can be added to any of your soybean seed treatments, insecticide, fungicides. Most biologicals that are seed treatments, they have a trouble with that. You cannot add those to chemistry, so insecticides, fungicides, because it'll make them ineffective. The big difference with the Enertia and the enzyme that's in our material is stabilized with a process called VersaShield formulation technology.
When should our farmers out there that are watching and listening, when should they book their Enertia for next year?
Well, they can book it at any time. I mean, we're ready. The product is ready. It's registered in all the states, so we're ready. I would say when they're booking their seed and their seed treatment, to go ahead and tell their dealer, Helena store or whatever dealer they're working with on their seed, to add it.
All right. Well, thank you. I appreciate that very much. Mike Powell with Helena Products Group.
Well, thanks to Marlon for that report. And you want to stay tuned because coming up just ahead, we're going to go back to the event in our next half hour. We're going to get an update on the latest adjuvants and water management advancements for Helena.